have a new remote control dinosaur to demo today. It's the Velociraptor, put out by Gilobaby for ages 6 and older. This raptor walks and has light and sound effects. The dinosaur is USB chargeable and includes a charging cable. The remote operates on 2 AA batteries, which are not included. Charge time is approximately 2 hours. Let's have a look inside. Ooh, isn't it very realistic looking? It's made out of hard plastic. It has a hinged jaw, some spiky teeth in there. The body wiggles as well as the tail. On the underside, you'll notice the grippy pads on the back feet and rollers on the front for speed. You have your on-off switch, your USB port. When it's in the package, the tail is off. It simply snaps into place. Should you need to remove the tail, here's a button right here. Depress it and the tail comes right off. For the remote, you will need a small Phillips, that's crosshead screwdriver, to open it. This is a pretty cool looking remote. I like the dino pattern. It stands out from other remotes. Here's the USB cable and the instruction booklet. When charging, there is a red indicator light on the abdomen next to the USB port. The light will go off when fully charged. The Raptor's eye lights red on the remote when it's on. I like to mention a couple of quick things before we demo. The Velociraptor has 3 built-in power-saving modes that applies to the remote as well, and it has a low charge indicator that's both visual and audible.